Ikea.
Hey, Ikea, can I return?
Pero sinerch ko location. Oh, wala ganun. Basta may sinerch ko. Totoo talaga. Ito lang. Tignan yung dami. So, wala pa rin nagkukumit. Ayan. Okay tayo. Ayun guys. Ikea. Ito yung bait. Ang mahal. 5,000. 80. Oh. Hindi na yung 45. 8 na lang. 90. 70. Ano ba ito? 930. Ayan. 930. Wow! Ang pa video dito Ito guys.
Scariest games on Roblox. So if you join this game, you will spawn in an Ikea. But if you stay long enough, it will turn nighttime. And the Ikea employees won't like that you are still in the store at night. And if they see you, they will start chasing you, trying to kill you. To survive, you will have to build a base where you can stay through the night. I really recommend playing it. Stay safe.
Slay!
Bo.
IKEA isn't just furniture. When I was a kid and my parents would go to IKEA, I really wanted to raid the food section so badly, but we never did. Now that I'm a grown-up with grown...
Baka save dito Sorry, sure. This is a save. Hindi ko alam. Basta marami pa to. Sobrang dami. Manila. Save naman siya. Ulit ko pa save. May dalawa. Nakikita nyo guys, yung plug na yun. Nakikita nyo. Tatlo yun. Tignan nyo guys. Ito din guys. Sila dalawa. Whee! Sila dalawa nagpagawa. Diba sa Philippines may Ikea. Tapos doon din may Ikea pa rin. Tignan nyo guys. Oh. So, di pa nakakalam ng SCP-3008. Hindi ko alam. Basta. Ito. Titi. Daming haba nito. Monster? Ay, multo. Stock Nike. Is that Ikea?
I'm telling you, this IKEA store feels illegal. There's no windows, no doors, but also the staff are plastic. What? So it looks like an ordinary
No
IKEA,
window.
but the moment you step through the automatic sliding doors, things go nuts. I'm talking endless aisles.
Okay, you're talking about the endless IKEA. It's not endless. It's just a maze, and you can escape it by using the hand method. To do it, you put your hand on the wall, and you keep walking until you navigate through the maze. But it only works if the exit's on the outside wall.
But you're forgetting about the staff. If you don't exit before the closing announcement, they get aggressive and try and catch you.
The plastic people? Dude, I'm not scared of no mannequin doll, okay? What happens if they even catch you?
You will become one of them. So either run or build a fort with the furniture.
Wait a minute, that's why my dad never came home.
I'm telling you.
May pagkain ito. Uy. Oh, ito marami pa yan guys. Dark Rosy.
Welcome back to the channel. Hope
Ano?
you're having a
Basta marami pa to. Fake door. Fake exit pala. Door. Ba't mo ginan? Tapos i-search nyo sa dito. Ayan, patala dyan. SCP-3008 backstory. Basahin nyo. Storyline. Gusto mo na pa yan. Dito. Back from drivers. Wala, ang dami naman yan. This level back. It's level 7. Hindi pa naman ito. Now, gusto mo na pa ito. Drop-in Ikea. Tignan nyo, totoo pa yan. Okay, so ito yata yung SCP